Thermo-cutter is also named as thermo-cutter, heating cutter, hot knife, hot cutter, and high-temp cutter. Thermo-cutter is best tool for cleaning edges of SGP laminated glass. The orange thermo-cutter is the upgraded model. The orange thermo-cutter is developed by CNC glass interlayer technology. We name it as CNC O2 model. The orange thermo-cutter is much lighter for handhold. The orange thermo-cutter is heating up faster. The orange thermo-cutter is with the air cooling system built in, so it can work continuously. If you are planning to trim SGP remains, we suggest you choose the orange thermo-cutter. We receive good feedback of using the orange thermo-cutters from our clients. If you want to order, please feel free to contact us, and you may expect answers in 24 hours. Thanks very much for your watching. Have a good day.